In this video, I'll show you how to insert your model contracts into the Weagree wizard. The first step to inserting a template is to create a template carrier. Whilst inserting the template and finalizing the questionnaire, allocate the template to the user group under construction. This avoids the possibility of others inadvertently creating a contract using an unfinished template. Consider limiting access to this template to higher authorized users only. And if desired, attach a PDF file with contract guidance notes, a checklist, or the Q&A, which can be used during a meeting. If desired, enter a text flag that will appear alongside the template on the new contract page. After creating the template carrier, you're prompted to enter the template settings. In the subtab Template Properties, you can modify the default title of the contract. While the title inserted previously is what appears on the new contract page, this title will become the actual contract title, printed on the contract cover page and in headers or footers. The author of the template is by default your own name. It indicates the owner of the template or who is responsible for approving any changes. You can modify the name accordingly. Determine whether generated contracts will have a cover page or a table of contents. Connect the template to the appropriate contract house style, choose the contract language and the .x file which determines formatting aspects such as font, numbering style and indentation. If your template contains multiple annexes with many Q&A questions, consider ticking Annex by Annex. In that case, Q&A questions in annexes will be addressed on separate Q&A pages, which may improve the user's experience. In the subtab Parties, you can indicate how many parties will potentially be a party to your contract and refer to each of them by their functional name. The default is 2 parties, but sometimes many more persons or entities need to be mentioned. And this is where you identify their functional references. For example, seller, licensor, or service provider. This reference name will show up wherever a user is to select or insert the details of a contracting party. If you anticipate that potentially 6 or more parties, persons, or legal entities may participate or be mentioned in your contract, watch our video tutorial on contract party details and CRM related information. By default, Bypass Contract Properties is ticked, which is particularly handy in case of potentially more than 3 contracting parties. We recommend that you tick the box for a simplified user experience. Finally, under the Prompted Party Details tab, you can select which details of contracting parties are to be asked and which of those details are mandatory. During the questionnaire, the Weagree wizard will prompt the user to insert all details that are to be included in the contract, regardless of whether you ticked these boxes. But if inserting certain party details depends on the answer of an as yet unanswered Q&A question, or if you might need certain party details in another template and want to make sure they're inserted into Weagree's party database, tick the box here and users will be prompted to enter those details. Now click Save to actually start building your template. If at a later stage you need to change any of the template settings just inserted, go to the template name above and click Change Template Settings. You're now ready to go. Continue with the video tutorials elaborating on how to insert your template and how to build the questionnaire. Thank you for watching.